This is the first time I ever do a Christmas carol singing. And I wrote my own song of this carol. I'm about to do it night and day. In God we trust with us. That was no pyramid. That is a pine tree. But different. Let's do this. Now is the time to cheer in this year. La 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 la. Saint Nicholas is real as a Turkish Greek. He lives in the years before the 2010s. Saint Nicholas fought against the Arius heresy by hand. He throws in the bag of gold to the poor folk. After the law of Saint Nicholas, here comes Saint Patrick. Now that you know that Santa Claus is real. Spread this and Saint Nicholas in the holiday cheer. In God we trust with us. This is my Christmas carol. Yeah. Oh, I almost forgot. This is for Rohan. This is for Rohan. I gotta bring him Christmas gifts for him.
Rohan doesn't work here anymore, but...
Yeah, but call him to go here.
Call him to come here.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes, there's gifts for him. Tell him that I bring him gifts.
I will do.
Yes. Go on, I brought him gifts. Yes. I hope my gift giving works. What? I was recording sheep.
And may all your Christmases be white.
him! Merry Christmas, you wonderful old building and loan! Hey! Merry Christmas, Mr. Potter! Happy New Year to you! In jail. Go on home, they're waiting for you. Mary! Well, hello, Mr. Bank Examiner. How are you?
Mr. Bailey, there's a deficit.
I know, $8,000.
George, I've got a little paper.
I'll bet it's a warrant for my arrest. Isn't it wonderful? I'm going to jail. Merry Christmas. Reporters, where's Mary? Mary! Oh, look at this wonderful old drafty house. Mary! 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 Have you seen my wife?
Merry Christmas, Daddy!
Kids! Pete! Oh. Kids! Janie! Janie! Tommy! Oh, let me look at you. Oh, I could eat you up. Where's your mother?
She went looking for you. With Uncle Billy. Daddy!
Zuzu, my little ginger snap. How do you feel?
Fine. Not a smidge of temperature.
Not a smidge of... Hallelujah.
Hello. George! George,
Mary.
darling, where are you? George, darling, where are you? Oh, George, Mary. George. George.
Let me touch you. Are you real?
Oh, George.
Oh, you have no idea what's happened to me.
You've no idea what happened. Well, come on, George. Come on downstairs. Quick, they're on their way.
All right.
Come on. Come on in here now. Now you stand right over here by the tree. Right there, and don't move. Don't move. What's happening? Oh, I hear them coming now. George, it's a miracle. It's a miracle. What's happening? Who's gonna come, Daddy? Who, Daddy? Come in, Uncle Billy. Everybody in here.
George!
Is everything
Anything like it? Isn't it wonderful? So many friends. Mary did it, George. Mary did it. She told some people you were in trouble with it. They scattered all over town collecting money. Didn't ask any questions, just said, George in trouble. Tell me,
What is
never
this,
saw anything like it. Spread like fair.
Another run on the bank? Here, George. Merry Christmas.
Now, don't push. There we are. The line forms on the right. The line forms on the right.
Now, coming, George. Now, don't hurry. And God bless you. Oh, Mr. Martini. Here's Martini. Step right up here. You'll all get up.
I busted the jukebox, too. I made the rounds of my charge accounts.
I'm not gonna go, George. I changed my mind.
I've been saving this money for a divorce if ever I get a husband.
Here you are, George. You got the faculty all left out a bit. Here's some beautiful.
I wouldn't have a roof over my head if it wasn't for you, George.
Just a minute. Just a minute.
Quiet, everybody. Quiet. Now get this. It's from London.
Oh.
Mr. Gower cabled you need cash. Stop. My office instructed to advance you up to $25,000. Stop. Hee-haw and Merry Christmas, Sam Wainwright.
And Mr. Martini, how about some wine?
Mercy, my
I could. The fool flew all the way up here in a blizzard.
Harry, how about your banquet in New York?
Oh, I left right in the middle of it. As soon as I got Mary's telegram. Good idea, Ernie. A toast. To my big brother, George, the richest man in town. That's a Christmas present from a very dear friend of mine.
Look, Daddy, teacher says every time a bell rings, an angel gets his wings.
That's right. That's right.
Attaboy, Clarence.